home in New York City can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're selling for the first time or have done it before, the difference between months on the market and a fast, profitable sale often comes down to a few smart strategies. In this video, we'll share 6 tips to help you sell your home faster without sacrificing your bottom line. I'm Sinead Ortizar, and welcome back to StreetEasy Homeschool. The first and most important step to selling your home successfully is making sure as many buyers as possible see your listing. Homes that attract more attention don't just sell faster, they often sell for more money. In fact, StreetEasy data shows that in 2024, homes that went under contract received 53% more views than those that remained on the market. To maximize exposure in New York City, list your home on a public marketplace like StreetEasy, use high-quality photos, and consider including short video tours in your listing. The more eyeballs you attract, the more competition you create, and that's what usually drives stronger offers. New York City's market moves fast, and the most successful sellers are the ones who are quick to adjust prices when interest wanes. StreetEasy found that in 2024, homes that sold after dropping their price made that change after a median of 49 days. But homes that didn't sell waited a median of 132 days before lowering their price, which suggests that acting quickly is a key when cutting prices. In contrast, homes that waited too long to lower their price often sat on the market much longer. The takeaway? A well-timed price adjustment paired with refresh marketing like another open house or a push on social media can reignite buyer interest and help your home sell faster. Most buyers will see your home for the first time online, so that first impression matters. High-quality photos are essential, but the best listings go further. Floor plans, 3D tours, and short videos help buyers understand the layout and imagine themselves in the space. That extra interest can translate directly into more showings and better offers. Pair strong visuals with compelling keyword-rich description, and you'll capture attention from the very first click. In a competitive market, standing out matters, and sometimes a small investment can make a big impact. StreetEasy's featured listings tool puts your home at the top of the search results, making it more visible to serious buyers. Featured listings receive up to 96% more search views and 77% more inquiries than non-featured ones. It's a simple way to give your listing an edge and attract more interest faster. Talk to your agent about using this and other marketing tools to make sure your home gets the attention it deserves. Today's New York City buyers are placing more value on in-home comfort and convenience. While you can't change your building's elevator access or outdoor space, one update stands out: in-unit laundry. In 2024, it was the most searched amenity on StreetEasy. If your home already has a washer and dryer, make sure it's front and center in your listing. And if it's possible to add one, doing so could significantly increase visibility and attract a larger number of potential buyers. In a competitive market, the right amenity can set your home apart. One of the most important decisions you'll make when selling your home is choosing the right agent. A great listing agent brings New York City market expertise, pricing strategy, and a strong marketing plan, all of which can mean a faster sale and a better return. Take time to interview multiple candidates. Ask them about their recent sales, request references, and have them walk you through their strategy for pricing and promotion. Make sure they're committed to listing your home on high visibility platforms and tailoring their approach to your goals. If you're unsure where to start, StreetEasy Concierge can connect you with vetted agents who are well matched to your needs so you can move forward with confidence. Selling your home in New York City doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right marketing, strong visibility, and an experienced agent by your side, you can sell quickly and confidently. So take these 6 steps, stay focused, and get ready to hand over the keys knowing you've got the best strategy possible. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to helping you unlock life's next chapter. Thanks for watching.